Have you ever felt alone when life becomes dark, when fear fills the room, and peace feels far away? Who truly protects you? Not the locks, not the cameras, not the world, but the one who created heaven and earth. The answer is found in Psalm 91. He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall rest under the shadow of the Almighty. This is not just poetry, it is a promise, a shield, a hiding place for the weary and broken. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the trapper and from deadly sickness. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall trust. His truth shall be your shield and your protection. Do not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the sickness that moves in darkness, nor of the destruction that ruins lives at noon. 1,000 may fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. Only with your eyes shall you see the reward of the wicked, because you have made the Lord your refuge, even the Most High your dwelling place. No evil shall come near you, no plague shall touch your home. For He shall give His angels charge over you, to guard you in all your ways. They shall lift you up in their hands, so you will not strike your foot against a stone. You shall walk upon the lion and the snake, the young lion and the dragon you will trample under your feet. Because you have set your love on God, therefore He will deliver you. He will lift you up because you know His name. You shall call upon Him and He will answer you. He will be with you in trouble. He will rescue you and honor you. With long life, He will satisfy you and show you His salvation. And when God protects you, He also guides you, comforts you, and restores you. That's when Psalm 23 becomes alive. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And when the valley gets deeper, when fear comes again, and the path grows dark, lift up your eyes. Psalm 121 says, I will lift up my eyes to the hills. From where does my help come? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot be moved. He who keeps you will not sleep. Behold, He who keeps Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is your keeper. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not strike you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord shall protect you from all evil. He will keep your soul. The Lord shall guard your going out and your coming in, from this time and forevermore. And if your heart feels weak today, if your soul is tired, if your faith is shaken, know this: you are not forgotten. You are not alone. You are covered. You are guided. You are protected by the hand of the Almighty. So take a moment, breathe, and thank the Lord. And if these words spoke to you, if you felt God near through this message, follow this channel and share this video with someone who is hurting in silence. Because His promises are not just for reading, they are for living. His word is not old, it is alive, and it is for you right now.